Hi, Ivan Shaw here, working on my 1973 International. Got it sitting on a 2006 Ford F-350 Super Duty chassis with a 12-valve Cummins in it. Working on the steering linkage right now. Take a little shot of that, what I got going on there. But show you guys the inside of it real quick. We had to weld all new floor pans in here, bent them all myself with the wife's help. Right there's the chassis, rust free. Started mounting some of this stuff up in here, retrofitted and made some new inner fender wells. They were completely rotted. Got to clean this up a little bit. This is from where I put the motor in there and turbo cooler and everything's going to sit. Got a 12-valve Cummins in here. And anyway, this is what I'm working on right now. Is hooking up this, going from the International to the Ford. So this bolts onto the International. I put a bunch of different holes in here, so when I need to adjust that steering wheel, I can just flip-flop it in here to make it straight, opposed to messing with tie rod ends and all that finesse. Right here is part of the original Ford. What I did is I cut it. I had to shorten it up. It was originally a tube, and then it went into this, so I had to cut the tube off and then weld it. Welded that. Then this will slide up on here, and then I'm going to weld this around there. Same with this thing right here. This is the part that actually slides into that. And this is what's going to be going in my International. And as you can see, that's what it looks like. And then I machined it to fit in there perfectly. So I got it sitting off just a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld this right in here. Fill that all up. Then I'm going to grind this down. Or take it to a sander and just sand it. And then I'm gonna tack right here on the back, kind of overkilling it. It all gets sandwiched in there. Probably won't move anyway, but we're gonna guarantee it don't move. Then on here, this is kind of like a bushing more or less, and I'm gonna put a little tiny tack right there, or I'm just gonna crimp it and roll a burr over on top of it so this can't slide off, and then do the same thing right down here on this side so that holds this from sliding back and forth. But anyway, then that'll get slid on right there, and then this is the piece that fits on, and that's what that's all milled out for. The squares on the side, and then the other part, see if I can get that perfectly right there. That is going to fit perfectly on that one. So there it is. I'm going to weld it all up. Probably shoot a couple images of it put together and then install